The Nike Dunk Low may not command the hype it once did, but Nike isn't slowing down on new releases. The upcoming Ironstone Velvet Brown colorway brings a more refined, fall-inspired look to the classic silhouette, combining rich tones and textures for a subtle yet stylish update. This version pairs smooth ironstone leather on the toe box, midfoot, and collar with textured, semi-gloss synthetic overlays in velvet brown. The mix of materials adds visual depth, while tonal brown laces, lining, and outsole tie the design together seamlessly. Branding is kept minimal and muted, letting the clean lines and layered tones do the talking. The Nike Dunk Low Ironstone Velvet Brown is expected to launch in the coming months on Nike.com. Retailing for $115.